मुझे गाड़ी चलाने दो।
Let me drive. Let me drive.
मैं आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुश हूँ।
I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you.
मैं इसकी सराहना करता हूँ।
I appreciated it. I appreciated it.
मुझे समझ नहीं आया।
I did not understand. I did not understand.
मैं कुछ नहीं जानना चाहता।
I don't want to know anything. I don't want to know anything.
मुझे आपके नुकसान का दुख है।
I feel sad for your loss. I feel sad for your loss.
पहले कौन आया?
Who came first? Who came first?
क्या आप मेरी बात से सहमत हैं?
Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me?
क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं?
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
ध्यान से चलाइए।
Drive carefully. Drive carefully.
सब कुछ ठीक है।
Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
माफ कीजिए।
Excuse me. Excuse me.
स्कूल जाने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ।
Get ready to go to school. Get ready to go to school. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस पढ़ने से पहले वीडियो को कर दीजिए लाइक और चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब, क्योंकि बाद में आप वीडियो की भावनाओं में खो जाएंगे।
भीड़ में धीरे चलें।
Go slow in the crowd. Go slow in the crowd.
आपका दिन शुभ हो सर।
Good day to you, sir. Good day to you, sir.
आपका दिन शुभ हो।
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
वह अब भी ठीक नहीं है।
He is still not well. He is still not well.
वह दोपहर में सोता है।
He sleeps in the afternoon. He sleeps in the afternoon.
उम्मीद है कि अगली बार आपसे मुलाकात हो।
Hope to see you next time. Hope to see you next time.
क्या हाल है?
How are you? How are you?
मैं आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ?
How can I help you? How can I help you?
आपकी उम्र क्या है?
How old are you? How old are you?
मैंने अपना गृह कार्य पूरा कर लिया है।
I have complete my homework. I have complete my homework.
मुझे वीडियो गेम खेलना पसंद है।
I love to play video game. I love to play video game.
मैंने कर दिखाया।
I made it. I made it.
मेरी स्कूल बस छूट गई।
I missed my school bus. I missed my school bus.
मैं किताबें पढ़ता हूँ।
I read books. I read books.
मैं फिर आऊँगा।
I will come again. I will come again.
मैं अपने रास्ते में हूँ।
I am on my way. I am on my way.
अपनी लिखावट सुधारो।
Improve your handwriting. Improve your handwriting.
आपसे बात करके अच्छा लगा।
It was nice to talk to you. It was nice to talk to you.
यह मेरा सौभाग्य है।
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
चलो जश्न मनाएं।
Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate.
इस दिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई।
Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day.
कृपया बैठ जाइए।
Please be seated. Please be seated.
कृपया बोर्ड को साफ करें।
Please clean the board. Please clean the board.
क्या तुम मुझे बेवकूफ बना रहे हो?
Are you fooling me? Are you fooling me?
क्या आप हमसे जुड़ रहे हो?
Are you joining us? Are you joining us?
क्या मैं आपसे कोई बात पूछूं?
Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something?
जल्दी आओ।
Come quickly. Come quickly.
क्या आप मुझे कुछ पैसे दे सकते हैं?
Could you give me some money? Could you give me some money?
क्या आप मुझे अपनी उत्तर पुस्तिका दिखा सकते हैं?
Could you show me your answer sheet? Could you show me your answer sheet?
क्या आपको मेरी बात समझ में आई?
Did you get my point? Did you get my point?
मुझे परेशान न करे।
Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me.
क्या आप मेरी बात से सहमत हैं?
Did you agree with me? Did you agree with me?
क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं?
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
ध्यान से चलाइए।
Drive carefully. Drive carefully.
सब कुछ ठीक है।
Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
ये मेरे लिए नहीं है।
It's not for me. It's not for me.
सब बंद कर दो।
Turn everything off. Turn everything off.
उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे।
He had no money. He had no money.
नहीं, बस ऐसे हो।
No, just like that. No, just like that.
मैं तुमसे बात करूंगी।
I will talk to you. I will talk to you.
सब बंद कर दो।
Turn everything off. Turn everything off.
किसी सुनो।
Listen to this. Listen to this.
ये बासी खाना है।
It's a still food. It's a still food.
मुझे पढ़ना है।
I have to study. I have to study.
उसे पढ़ने दो।
Let her study. Let her study. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Do not forget the like and share. And thank you once again.